What's up, y'all, and welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves. When I tell you the struggle has been real, the struggle has been real. My camera battery died mid-recording, and then the sun went down. It was just so many little things, and yesterday was a day. But we are here. We're still in this. We're human. I'm human, and yeah. So diving right in, the song of the day today is, drumroll please. Okay, the song of the day today is, why is this not playing? It's always when I want to play the songs. Now look how happy you made me by liking this video. Thank you so much. Okay. The song of the day today is Dancing Circles by Sampha. I want to listen to his full album that he released this year, The High. So instead of playing the song since it doesn't want to play, I'm just going to put it on the screen. But diving into the question for the day, or picking your brain for the day. Man, not me forgetting my own words. Picking your brain for the day, I want to know, throughout the year, each and every single day we're learning lessons. What do you feel like is a lesson that you've learned and okay, breathe. What do you feel like is a lesson that you've learned that you will apply as wisdom moving forward into the next season, into the next year? That is my question for you to pick your brain for the day. But without further ado, we're going to dive straight into these affirmations. Go ahead and take 3 big deep breaths with me. And on the last one, please make sure it is the deepest one you've taken for the day. You ready? Okay, ready? And inhale. And exhale. Let's continue. And inhale. And exhale. Final breath. Make it your deepest. And inhale. And exhale. Beautiful, beautiful. We're diving right back into our sacral chakra affirmations where we left off, I feel like a few days ago. So let's do it. I invite joy into my life. And I am able to find it in all things. Change is perfectly normal. And I welcome it, embracing all the opportunity that it holds. I am a lovable being. I breathe in powerful golden light. I feel powerful in embracing my sexuality. I receive pleasure and abundance with every breath I take. I am spontaneous and allow my intuition to guide me. My life gets better and better every single day. And you know we're going to say that 1-2 more times. My life gets better every single day. My life gets better every single day. The quality of my life is improving, even if I can't see it. One more time. The quality of my life is improving, even if I can't see it. I claim my inner peace. My life is enriching and fulfilling. I love who I am and what I do. I accept help when I need it. I accept help when I need it. Yes, I'm talking to you. I am fully engaged in the present. I am willing to accept hard truths. We're going to say that one again. I am willing to accept hard truths. Because they are here to serve me and allow me to embrace my higher self. I am grateful for the joy that comes with being me. I trust my feelings and give them ample room for expression. You know, we're going to do that again. I trust my feelings and give them ample room for expression. I am honoring my body and treating myself respectfully. Once again, I am honoring my body and treating myself respectfully. It is my birthright to receive pleasure and have all my needs met. It is my birthright to receive pleasure and have all my needs met. I feel complete peace from within. One more time. I feel complete peace from within. I am open to the flow of creativity. I am creative, passionate, and inspired. I couldn't hear you. I am creative, passionate, and inspired. I am filled with positive energy. My emotions flow freely in a balanced and healthy way. My emotions flow freely in a balanced and healthy way. I love that. I allow the flow of positive energy to effortlessly move through me. One more time. I allow the flow of positive energy to effortlessly move through me. I am at home in my body. I am at home in my body. You gotta say it like you mean it. Come on. I feel safe when I express myself. I recognize that my creativity is endless. I recognize that my creativity is endless. I use my emotions as my guides, as my teachers. I use my emotions as my guides, as my teachers. I live a creative, vibrant, and passionate life. I am living a creative, vibrant, and passionate life. That one feels good. That one feels really good. Well, thank you guys for spending some time with me today. The sun has decided to make its exit, but I'll see you tomorrow. Come sun up. Have a wonderful rest of your day or night, whatever time it is, whenever you're watching this. I wish you peace and I'm sending you love. Do not give up on yourself, okay? I'll see you tomorrow.